We often measure our lives by what we can see, by the forward momentum we can display. We look for the bloom, the harvest, the tangible proof of our efforts. But nature teaches a different rhythm. Not every season produces visible advancement. There are times of quiet shedding, of letting go, where the most profound work is happening beneath the surface, unseen. This isn't a pause in our journey, it is a crucial and beautiful part of the journey itself. It is the season of release, preparing the ground for what is yet to come. Then comes the stillness, the quiet hush of winter. The world seems to hold its breath, and we too can feel frozen, waiting for a thaw that feels impossibly distant. In these moments, progress is not measured in steps forward, but in the strength we find in standing still. Some seasons exist mainly to deepen patience. They teach us to endure the cold, to find comfort in the quiet, and to trust that even under a blanket of snow, life is gathering its strength. This is the season of endurance. To cultivate patience is to cultivate trust in ourselves and in the natural unfolding of our lives. It is the quiet confidence that the rain will eventually soften the earth, that the sun will return, that the buds will break through in their own time. It is the understanding that forcing a flower to bloom will only break its stem. Patience is not passive waiting, it is active acceptance. It is the gentle, unwavering strength that holds space for growth. In this way, patience itself is progress. It is the invisible foundation upon which all future growth is built. So do not rush through the quiet times, do not curse the fallow seasons. They are as vital as the seasons of bloom and harvest. They are the moments that build resilience, deepen wisdom, and connect us to the steady, cyclical rhythm of the world. Learn to appreciate the stark beauty of the winter branch, the gentle persistence of the spring rain, and the quiet dignity of the autumn leaf. Respect patient seasons, for it is in these times of quiet reflection that we truly grow.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.